Marketers these days are just trying to get stuff done. And the best way to do that is by getting scrappy with your marketing. And there's no better way to do scrappy marketing than with webinars. Marketing, for the most part, is one half process and one half inspired chaos. And some of our best marketing is where inspiration meets execution. Scrappy marketing defined is when we can react quickly to developments, when we can act on inspiration, when we can move fast and replace perfection with great execution. And webinars are the perfect scrappy marketing tool. They're easy to create, easy to scale, built for repurposing. It's a flexible format. You've got high levels of engagement that you can do a lot with, and you get great data that's useful to create new content. So I want to give you 5 ways to use webinars to get scrappy with your marketing. Webinars are a great way to get ahead of the message. So if there's new legislation, if there are new changes that are going on in your industry, if there's major announcements, competitor news, you're launching new products, anything happening in your world, you can very quickly stand up a webinar and be the first voice to react to what's going on with your audience. This is how you become the trusted advisor. This is how you become the thought leader in your industry. You may have some new audiences that you're considering going after, perhaps new industries, perhaps new use cases, perhaps new personas or new markets. How do you figure out whether the opportunity is real? A great way to do that, and a very fast way to do that, is with webinars. By putting together a couple of custom webinars and putting them out there to your database, you can figure out where your audience really is. Webinars are great because they provide you with a ton of great data that you can then turn into new content. You've got Q&A logs, you've got poll results, you've got survey data, you've got data from downloads and chat boxes, and all of that data can be used to create new content. Here's a great example. This is the Merrill Corporation, and they have great webinars where they push out polls and get lots of responses, and they then take that polling data to create entirely new research studies, which they can use to create press releases and get in front of their audience in entirely new ways. We're delivering live webinars all the time, and when those webinars are done, they're incredibly valuable as on-demand assets that we can use to fuel new marketing. For instance, you can quickly stand up a new campaign using on-demand webinars. Maybe you want to create new nurtures for custom segments. Perhaps you're having a bad quarter. You've got that greatest hits webinar that you gave that you know always delivers, and you can rerun it simulive to get more leads into the pipeline. Webinars are a great way to quickly stand up new campaigns. You may have a couple of new target accounts you're going after. What better way to do it than by quickly standing up a new webinar with their branding, talking about their pain points and their needs. You can spend a ton of time in pursuit of perfection. You can build a campaign over a couple of quarters, take another quarter to execute it and another quarter to measure it, or you can get stuff done. So the next time you want to get scrappy with your marketing, webinars is the way to do it.